Welcome to the AI Developer Workshop. Let's audit our hardware and tool stack. Don't buy everything unless it saves 10 hours or makes you actual money. When using data, my go-to software agentic brain is Google Anti-Gravity and Gemini 3.1 Pro and 5.6 Flash, and swap models by spending $100 in OpenRouter. It doesn't think like a human. It predicts patterns, structures context, and synthesizes solutions in real time. Welcome to the world of vibe coding. I'm Darren Smith, and I don't just code line by line, I architect intent. For decades, building software required years, specialized computer science degrees, $250,000 budgets, and months of friction. Now, everything has changed. Welcome to my live case study. Here is the LinkedIn app. It drives real growth. Here are the full GitHub links. And Stripe is integrated. Get the handbook and code. You can scale today. Check out the summary in the walkthrough.md. Peace out, Daza respect. Something extraordinary is happening. The barrier between imagination and execution has dissolved. Welcome to the AI Developer Workshop. Let's audit our hardware and tool stack. Don't buy everything unless it saves 10 hours or makes you actual money. What if you could build anything you imagined without getting stuck in syntax hell? Your digital toolbox is split into 8 distinct operational layers. Software subscriptions can drain your cash fast. You need a strategic filter to know what to pay for. Over the next 105 scenes, I'm unlocking the entire vault, step by step. Welcome backstage. It's about the ecosystem, the complete workflow architecture that turns raw ideas into scalable digital assets. Websites, mobile apps, AI agents, SaaS tools, digital products, and automated revenue engines. Not all AI models are built equal. Using the wrong model for the wrong tasks is like using a hammer on a screw. Step into the command center. The command sector, this is where human vision meets artificial intelligence. Great software requires a reliable physical workstation. Your hardware is your foundation. When you run multiple local AI agents, browser instances, and dev servers simultaneously, system stability matters. A clean, frictionless environment creates focus. Remove physical clutter to make room for mental velocity. Every subscription must justify its ROI. If it doesn't generate income or massive speed, cancel it. The golden rule of AI development: never buy a tool until it directly saves you 10 hours, generates revenue. Software subscriptions can drain your cash fast. You need a strategic filter to know what to pay for. Your digital toolbox is split into 8 distinct operational layers. Here is my core stack: Gemini and Claude for reasoning, Google Anti-Gravity for agentic coding, Stripe for payments, and Vercel for hosting. What is an LLM? Think of a large language model as a hyper-trained reasoning engine trained on human knowledge. Now that the workshop is set up, let's look under the hood at the brain powering everything: large language models. You know, it's important to stay incredibly calm and relax when using AI, otherwise you will get frustrated and then have low morale, hit the wall. Not all AI models are built equal. Using the wrong model for the wrong task is like using a hammer on a screw.